I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it?
Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. With receding winters and onset of summers, it is time to make our homes and routines summer ready. Little planning eases our transition into the new season. In today's video, I'm going to share what I'm doing now to make my home summer ready. Idea is to take care of our belongings to ensure their longevity and gentle changes into the routine without getting overwhelmed. This video is powered by Duroflex. Let's get started. Though North India still has some chill left, Bengaluru in South is getting warmer with each passing day. I've removed the warm blankets and replaced them with light AC quilts and dohers. I've got my blankets dry cleaned and packed them in blanket covers. They will be stored in lofts. This way they stay safe, clean and ready for many more winters ahead. When it starts to rain, in order to prevent moisture-related damage, I place an absorbia in the area around. Before placing the summer bedding, don't forget to deep clean your bed. Remove the mattress and you will see a lot of dust and hair strands on the edges. Clean them using a vacuum cleaner or regular brush. Clean and wipe the bed nicely for smooth and relaxed sleep during summers. For a good night's sleep, it is also very important to invest in a good mattress. Here I would like to introduce you to Duroflex mattress. The Duroflex mattress comes in a concealed box nicely packed. The mattress is vacuum sealed and starts to inflate once the plastic cover is cut. Duroflex mattress extends great back support and spine alignment while sleeping. Livein in-memory foam mattress plus designed for an enriching deep sleep experience with medium firm comfort levels. This mattress also provides exclusive triple antimicrobial treatment that helps keep harmful bacteria, fungi and dust mites at bay for a safer and healthier sleep environment. It comes with a free breathable and soft mattress protector which can be washed easily at home. Mattress comes with a 10 years warranty and free doorstep delivery. If you are looking for a perfect mattress which can relax, give you a good back support and helps you in good night's sleep, then do check out Duroflex. Along with different sizes of mattress, they have a wide range of bed sheets, mattress protectors, pillows and allied sleep items. Do check out their website for all your sleep needs. During summers, I like to change my bedding to pure cotton with light colors and prints. The touch and feel of cotton is so relaxing. I also like to change the living room curtains with cotton and lighter shades. Last year I had bought 2 sets of these sheer curtains. Currently I am using the second set. After some usage, the first set was stored post regular wash. And now when I was doing replacements for summer, I found the first set became terribly short. Have you ever faced a similar situation? Sheer curtains help filter bright sunlight and keep my indoor plants protected from getting damaged or burnt. During summers, sofa made of leather, raxine or other synthetic material can be inconvenient due to the sticky feel. An inexpensive solution is to cover the sofa with cotton sofa covers or cotton bed sheets. At my home, I primarily keep my sofa covered to avoid spills from my child. I like to get my AC serviced and filters cleaned in advance to avoid any hassles during the peak summers. Clean the exterior and top as well, where a lot of dust gets accumulated. Change of season to summer also brings a change in direction of sun. In winters, those plants which needed good indirect sunlight were placed on our dining area window. Plants which needed indirect light and shade remained in the balcony. With the sun following a different arch now, I am changing the position of the plants as well for their better growth. Additionally, getting some new plants is so rejuvenating. Visiting a local nursery makes me really happy and excited. This time I wanted to include some low maintenance flower plants as well. So I picked up a few flower plants and some regular plants. I love staring, touching and cherishing my plants just after waking up. They make me really happy. In winters, mostly all the plants stay on the balcony and on the dining room window. In the summer, I prefer to have plants indoor as well due to the availability of enough sunlight. I love to decorate my house with indoor plants. Philodendron, pothos, zizi, monstera, areca palm, all are very easy to maintain plants and can make your home look fresh and green without much effort. You really don't need many decor items if you have some good, healthy indoor plants. Let's move to the closet. Just like how we pack and store our warm bedding, we also need to pack our woolen clothes well so that they can last for years ahead. I wash and dry them nicely. I store them nicely folded in a good quality sari bag or a container. I write the names of the family members on the box for easy identification. I don't have much space to keep warm clothes in my daily used closet, so I keep them in the loft. I would recommend before keeping back summer clothes in your closet, don't forget to purge the clothes and items that are of no use anymore. Staying hydrated is important. Lot of us, including me, just forget drinking water and realize only when dehydration starts showing mild symptoms. To avoid this, I plan to keep water bottles and jugs all around the house. Hopefully, this will cut out my laziness of getting up when engrossed in some work. Keeping warm bottles at arm distance and clearly visible will lower the chances of forgetting it. One of the best parts of summers that I love personally is the return of amazing refreshing drinks. I like to include coconut water, lemonade and fresh fruit juices in the summer. I keep them on the countertop readily available for consumption. Coconut water not only keeps you cool and hydrated, but it is also a good source of many nutrients and rich in antioxidants. Keep this kind of coconut cutter to open it easily. To make lemonade or mojito quickly, keep containers filled with powdered sugar and mint strands. Just grind regular sugar in a grinder and store in an airtight container. Now, if these two are ready, preparation is rapid fire. Muddle some lemon veggies and mint strands in a glass. You can also use lemon juice here. Add powdered sugar and water. Mix well. Add a couple of ice cubes and your refreshing homemade drink is ready. I also like to include some food items in the summer which I eat regularly. So prepping and storing them makes it convenient for me. In winters, we don't eat curd and raita much. Therefore, I was not making fresh curd at home. Now that the summers are starting, I've started including fresh curd in our daily meals. So I have taken out my electric curd setter to prepare fresh and thick curd daily. Having curd at home can really simplify your meals. You can quickly make curd rice, buttermilk, raita for pulao, chutney, etc. I also like to keep our vinegar onions ready in the fridge and they taste yum with meals. Next, I like to keep mint at home in both dry powdered form and fresh. Powdered mint is used in raita, chaat, jaljeera, etc. And fresh mint is used in pulao, raita, virgin mojito, etc. I like to keep mint chutney always ready in my fridge to use it as salad dressing with meals and for making sandwiches and rolls. Including salads is very important during summers, which helps you keep cool. During summers, my appetite goes down, so sometimes I replace usual afternoon meals with fruits and salads. So I make sure we have good stock of both.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you
So this is how I prep for summers and easy transition. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next Saturday. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.